Colin Kaepernick, he's filed a grievance against the National Football League, accusing the owners of collusion to keep him from playing. The former 49ers quarterback received national attention last year, you will recall, when he knelt at the football game during the national anthem. He says it was a form of silent protest to raise awareness about police brutality and racial injustices in this country. Critics say taking a knee during the national anthem is disrespectful of the American flag and the military. Kaepernick has yet to sign on with a new team. So what do you think? Does Kaepernick have a case against the NFL owners? You can vote right now, WUSA9.com/vote, or you can vote on the WUSA9 app. Join us right now to discuss all this, local attorney A. Scott Bolden. Should also point out, for full disclosure, your fraternity brother of mine and Colin Kaepernick, Kappa Alpha Psi. And you support him. You support his position.
But I have for years.
But does he have a case? Does he have a legal case? You're one of the best attorneys I know.
Oh, God bless you. He's got a claim right now, and if you got a claim, you got a case. Now, he may have a tough case, but that'll be defined by how the NFL responds to his complaint. Will they try to resolve this because it's bad for NFL business, or will they fight like they usually fight these grievances across the board? We'll just have to see.
Well, to resolve it would be to put him on a team, on a roster. They would do that if they wanted to, right? They could have done that by now, right?
Well, they certainly could have, but, you know, once you file a claim, then everybody pays even closer attention.
Right, okay. So what does he have to do to prove collusion?
He's got to prove that one or more of the owners colluded, conspired with the league or without the league to keep him off a team by clear and convincing evidence under the collective bargaining agreement. But there's something else going on here, Bruce. You know, if he's able to prove this collusion with documentary evidence as well as witnesses, and any GM or owner or player who is talked to Colin Kaepernick about this and then didn't get a job is a potential witness. And so you could really have some explosive testimony as well as some significant people at the arbitration hearing. But here's the thing. The reason this case is so important is because if he's able to prove collusion, that is Kaepernick, right, then that would trigger a termination of the collective bargaining agreement under Article 62, Section 2. That would be huge because the CBA doesn't run out until next year, the next year or two, and then the NFL and the Players Association would have to start from scratch simply because there was a finding of collusion.
Okay, if you're representing Colin Kaepernick, do you have the power to subpoena documents? The owners have to turn over information to you. What if the owners decide, they have lawyers too, and very good lawyers, we're not going to cooperate with this?
Well, they may fight it, but ultimately it's up to the arbitrator. The arbitrator has to sign off on subpoenas, usually in most arbitrations, in order for you to issue subpoenas. But both sides will have to cooperate on the production of documents. You can't just refuse, even though it's an arbitration. The rules of evidence are in place. But more importantly, I think the alternative to the NFL and Colin Kaepernick is to reach some resolution. Because I got to tell you, this is going to cost the NFL and Colin Kaepernick a lot more than this whole issue of social justice and protest.
Yeah, with the president now, not now, but again weighing in, he did again today, I find it hard to believe that they'll reach some kind of
maybe
agreement.
not, but right. You know, if the president keeps talking, he could be a potential on the witness list as well.
That'll be interesting. All right, Scott, thanks a lot.